guys, what is going on? And I just made something cool. So yeah, actually I have multiple things, so let me just get them all. The second, if I can find where I put it in. Oh, here we are. I already did a video on that one. Okay, sure. Okay, so that's 3. I think. Okay, I think I get this fixed real quick. Like, leaning over, because alright, so that's 3. Oh my gosh, you're so imbalanced. Yeah, just be held by this oil. I almost exposed the name. Doesn't look like it, so yeah. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, this isn't really a custom plushie, but I added a custom part to it, so I'm still counting it. And then I did a video for you. So I don't know if I did where I added that part or anything. No, I didn't. So I'm just gonna put you in. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 customs. Starting off with the first game. But it's a mangle. You know, I already did a video on her, but I added a bow tie. That's all. You go over these guys. Next is 4 tanks, 6. So pan, stand, same body as Bucket Bob, just yeah. Mr. Hugs, I used to pen the body and color pencil for the arms. So it's really hard to hold with one hand. And then the body is paper, so are the eyes. And then the hand, I know the hands are imperfect, but that makes it look more like trash. But okay, actually I want the hands to. Okay, see, so like this hand isn't perfect, but this hand kinda is. So yeah, it does make. So next is pig patch. See, I added the mouth, and yeah, that's basically it. I might add a paper tail. I'm not sure. And last but not least is. I was gonna do this one in a separate video, but last but not least is, I bet you can see the part right there at the bottom of the screen. See it? See it? See it? And you see the black head. You see the white part. It's security puppet! Bah! Yeah, I was gonna do this in a separate video. I still have to make the box. But yeah. So ah! Frick. Is there anything else that I need to review? Oh yeah, but I'll do that in a separate video. It's not a character, it's actually a thing. Whatever. So yeah guys, bye. And guys, maybe if I get another maybe if I get 3 spring traps, I'll keep one a spring trap, make one spring Bonnie, and make the other one try to make it glitch trap. So I'll do the same thing to make it spring Bonnie, but you know, make it glitch trap-ish. Yeah, boy, glitch trap boy. So yeah, guys, bye. I'm hitting a bouncy ball. That's right. But anyways, guys, bye. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button to see the next video, and comment down below. Yeah, stuff. Do a war on what Mangle's gender is. I'll start it off. Mangle is a girl. Yeah, do a war about that. Yeah. So yeah, guys, bye. Comment for Mangle's a girl. No, just do a war in the comments. Yeah, comment the war. So yeah, guys, bye. See you in my next video, which will probably be the thing that I'm going to do a separate video on. See, that's a preview. I'm not going to let you see the rest, 'cause it's going to put out too much. Bye. Oh, also I'll let you know that's FNAF up, but I'm not gonna tell you which game. Okay, bye. Bye. I really gotta go pee now. Why did I tell that? But this video's already 5 minutes or something. Whatever. Bye.